Hi there everyone. Thought I'd do a quick video about Bluehost for people in Australia. If you want to get your website up fast and easily, Bluehost is a really good hosting provider, but I do want to share something with you that it's going to help you make a decision whether you want to go with Bluehost or not. Now, if you want to go with Bluehost, there is a way to get their cheapest deal, and that is simply by going up here and just type in bluehost.com/track/cheapest deal, and that will bring you to the home page, and it'll take the price off and convert it into the cheapest deal they have running. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, so simply go down there and you can click that or just type that into your browser. Now the problem with that is it shows you that it's discounted and everything, but when you go to actually buy their hosting, it tells you their plan, so it's taken the price off and giving you the cheapest deal, and you've got the discount. So it says that it's $5.95 per month for the recommended plan, which where you get everything included. So I highly recommend going with that if you do decide to, but the problem with it is once you click select, you get taken to this page, and you get a free domain name with your hosting. So that's another good thing about their hosting. But if you already have one, you just put that there and it'll register with that domain. But for example, I'll put some cool domain name.com. Obviously you put your domain name that you want to choose, and then you get taken to the create account page. So obviously you'd fill in your details, and you know, if you're from Australia, you put Australia and then put your details in there. And then for the package information, it says the $5.95 Prime plan is discounted, but you have to buy it at 36 months. So you know, that is still very cheap for 36 months worth of hosting, don't get me wrong, but a lot of people see that when they visit the home page or the discount page and think, oh, that's for a year, where really it's not. So it's for the 36 months, so for 3 years. So but still, that is very cheap. But if you want to take advantage of that discount, you have to pay for 3 years. So you can go for 12 months and it's still cheaper and it's still discounted, but you're paying $7.95. So I just want to make people aware of that. You do get a domain name for free, so that's very cheap. And you know, for under $100 you can get a domain name, hosting, and all the bells and whistles. Or actually, I would recommend taking, you don't really need these add-ons. So yeah, so under $100 you can get a domain name and hosting and get online very cheap. Now obviously you just put your payment information in and click agree and then submit, and then you'll get given your details to log into your Bluehost account, and then you can start creating your website. I highly recommend using WordPress. It's free to use, and they do have a one-click WordPress install. But I just thought I'd share that with you, because a lot of people do get confused when they land on the Bluehost page and it says $5.95. They think they're going to get it at that price, but you have to pay for 3 years to get that discount. But again, for under $100, that is a very cheap deal, and you can have your domain and hosting all in the one place. So I hope you liked the video. Another really good hosting provider is siteground.com. To get their cheapest deal, simply go to siteground.com/go/cheapest deal. Now they have something very similar. I recommend them. They don't do the whole 3-year trick like Bluehost do. They're a bit more upfront. They are a lot faster. Their customer service is a lot better, but it's totally up to you. I'm just sharing that with you. I'll put links to Bluehost and SiteGround in the description of this video, and you can make your mind up. Either one of those are highly recommended. I've used both of them, and both are very good hosting providers. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video when I show you how to make a website using WordPress very quickly and easily. Thank you and goodbye.